Hi guys, it's Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Awakening in a Box, Empowering Oracle Box for the month of July. Very excited about this box. Let's check it out. Ooh. It's pretty. Ooh, cute. I'm gonna read this last. Got some Jilly Bobs here. Ooh, accidentally saw the tarot deck first. Conscious Spirit Oracle deck is what I mean. Oracle. That's pretty cool. That is going to be fun. Ooh, la la. Looks like I got a little pyramid here. Ooh, and a little lovely pendulum. Awesome. Looks like these are very cool. All right. Oh, and we got a mat. Oh, pretty. Wow, very nice. Ow. I hurt my hand, so I have like a very weak grip, and it's really, really sore because I'm a nurse. I do a lot of typing, and I need this hand to type, and so at the end of the work week, I'm in agony. Chakra Pyramid, which is this little lovely here. Very nice. 2 chakra pyramids in 1 month, a little baby and a big one. So that's pretty exciting. Chakra crystal pyramid includes 7 stones bonded together that correlate to the 7 chakras of the body. Chakras are centers of energy which regulate bodily functions as well as emotions. The term chakra means wheel because of its function as a spinning center of energy. It is important to keep all chakras open and balanced to allow a harmonious flow of life energy. You can use these together during meditation by laying down and put the stones on their corresponding chakras. Pyramids. Oh my gosh.
You've been quacked.
Oh, thank you.
Candy, come on, let's go.
Okay, I've been quacked. That's one of my ducks. She's very pleased to meet you. She did not like the bright lights though. Anyway, pyramids have an ability to amplify and focus the energy of your intention. The sacred geometry within any pyramid design is what gives it the power within. The most powerful area in a pyramid is in the center near the apex, so it can be helpful to focus your intention into this spot. When working with these powerful items, be sure you have stated a purpose for the highest good and clear all doubt about your desires. Whoop. There we go. 2 chakras. Wow. I have something coming down the line that I'll talk about more in an upcoming video. But it's funny that this is really brought up. Okay, note from the curator. Welcome to the July Empowering Oracle Box Chakra Alignment. This box contains an oracle deck, a crystal stone, and 2 products all focused around the theme. The deck included this month is the Conscious Spirit Oracle deck. It was created to help guide others to a deeper level of consciousness and a more harmonious life. The deck introduces chakras, angels, and spirit guides as it awakens the spirit and rekindles the connection between the cosmos and the earth. The guidebook contains insightful interpretations to help you discover the divine feminine wisdom each card carries. Also, in your box is a chakra stone pyramid, as well as a 7 chakra organite pendulum and a chakra pendulum map. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for tips on using your new deck and crystal and inviting their abundant energy into your life. I already do follow you. This note doubles as an art print drawn by our art director, Eli Valoroso. Follow his Instagram to see more amazing art. It's at E_V_Gypsy. We would like to thank you for being a seeker of truth and enlightenment, and of course being part of Awakening in a Box. Very cool, guys. So this is the chakra box for Awakening in a Box for July 2019. I very much love it. It's going to be an upcoming project for me to work on the chakras, but again, more about that in an upcoming video. Actually, tons of content coming out once I actually get a chance to film but I've been camping and to Crater Lake, so hopefully you can get on my Instagram and check out some of those. We have goslings on the farm, so that's been pretty cool, and family and loved ones visiting, and I have a second job, so it's just been madhouse here. But content is coming. I appreciate you guys. I love your comments, and I love interacting with you guys, and I hope we can work on that in the future and more on that, so stay tuned. Also, I announced the winner for the Tamed Wild box giveaway, which is another box that I unboxed on this channel, so please, if your name is Just Kelly, go check that out so you can claim your prize, and I can mail things out on Monday. Again, I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a blessed week. I hope you're surviving and thriving in this Mercury retrograde, and I look forward to engaging with you guys soon. Love you so much. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!